Welcome! This is the transformer turns ratio calculator, which calculates the relationship between transformer windings and their electrical characteristics. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have primary voltage V1, where you enter the voltage on the primary side. Next is secondary voltage V2 for the voltage on the secondary side. Then primary turns N1 for the number of turns in the primary winding. Secondary turns N2 for the secondary winding turns. Finally, power W, where you enter the transformer power in watts. For this demonstration, I'll input 10 volts for primary voltage, 10 volts for secondary voltage, 10 turns for primary turns, 10 turns for secondary turns, and 10 watts for power. After clicking Calculate Transformer Ratio, here are our results. The turns ratio shows 1000 to 1, meaning the primary and secondary have equal turns. The voltage ratio is also 1000 to 1, confirming our equal input and output voltages. Primary current calculates to 1000 ampere, which equals power divided by primary voltage. Secondary current is also 1000 ampere, maintaining the power balance across the transformer. This calculator simplifies transformer design calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this engineering tutorial.